Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Belkin screen protector model and screen size. This ensures fit and adhesive alignment. Once done, lay out replacement, microfiber cloth, dust stickers, and a card for smoothing. Keep a bright light nearby to spot dust. Make sure the device battery is on but locked, and remove any case for 1/2 inch clearance. This avoids lifting edges. Now move to the cleaning step immediately. Do not touch the adhesive side, and keep movements slow and deliberate. You now clean the screen thoroughly. Use a microfiber with an alcohol-free solution, wiping from center outward, then dry completely. Once dry, apply dust stickers in a rolling motion to pick up microparticles. Shine a light at a 45-degree angle to detect specks you might miss. Next, align the protector starting with the top camera or notch. Hold the protector by edges and lower slowly. Use a credit card wrapped in cloth to press from center outward, expelling air and ensuring adhesion. You finish by pressing the center for 30 seconds, then working toward the edges to secure full adhesion. Push remaining bubbles outward with the wrapped card. If a stubborn bubble remains, lift the nearest edge slowly, use a dust sticker to remove trapped debris, then reseal. This prevents scratches and keeps clarity. Make sure to wait 24 hours before reinstalling a case or subjecting the phone to moisture and heat. If adhesion fails, contact Belkin for replacement under warranty. Keep proof of purchase handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.